I'm always saying I won't change, but I ain't the same. Everything's different, I can't complain. Don't know what you missing. Shame on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shame on you.
Yo, what up? Oh. What up? It's UnBoxBot. Shit. Here was the unboxing. Got the antisocial Hello Kitty collab. Shipped pretty quick. It's got a little bit different shipping label on this collab. There's multiple items in here. They only listed one. Let's get this open and see how it looks. Size small. Hello Kitty hoodie. Hello Kitty antisocial cap. And also extra small Hello Kitty hoodie. Well, if you want anything in this video or want to know what it is, look in the description. You also see where to buy it, and yeah, subscribe. Go check out my grill page. Until next time.